Hi, thanks for watching Peter's Food Adventures, and today I'm going to be showing you how to boil crawfish, Russian style. Now here in Australia they're called Yabbies, and depending where you are in the world, every country has its own version of the crawfish, the crayfish, the yabby. In Russian they're called Raки, and these are really popular at the Banya. Typically enjoyed with beer. It's kind of Russian dude food, this version of it. Hope you enjoy it. And we wanted to see if any of them are dead, and we want to get rid of the dead ones. The dill and the fresh bay leaves, allspice and peppercorns. This is onion and garlic. This is 6 heaped tablespoons of salt. And now I'm going to add the butter, put the lid on and let it all infuse.